Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of our Python programming course series. In this part, we will delve into why Python is such a great choice for programming. I personally started programming in Python when I was just 15. Back then I had no idea about the differences between programming languages, so I asked a friend with 20 years of web development experience, and after thorough research, he recommended Python. Within a summer, I mastered all the fundamentals of Python programming. Over the next few years, I explored other languages like Java and C. Then I realized that Python is far more beginner friendly than languages like C and Java. And in many cases, it offers similar capabilities. What I love most about Python is its simple syntax and ease of use. If you start learning Python from scratch, you can achieve a solid foundation within 1 to 3 months, even without any prior programming knowledge. In just 3 months, you can dive into various fields like web development, neural network, artificial intelligence, and more. While I don't recommend game development for Python, Python is excellent for research fields like structural modeling, electrical engineering, and others. Unlike other languages often designed for a specific purpose, Python offers incredible flexibility. After learning Python, you can choose from a wide range of applications, from creating AI that make decisions for you to building powerful servers for websites or designing programs to extract and store data. You can even create Telegram bots to automate tasks. In the next session, we will kick off our first Python tutorial. Each session will include a quiz, and those who submit their answers before the next session will receive personalized feedback to help them improve. I aim to keep each session between 10 to 20 minutes. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Thanks for